Okay, I just had to get back on here and say, after playing around with it, look like my lipstick done set in too. I know, but I like it. I like it. It's different. Like I feel like with this wig, you definitely need like I'm trying to do my makeup. Don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I feel like my makeup was done. Then yeah, I get this on. But I like it though. This is cute. I, gorgeoushair.com. Y'all know where to go. Gorgeous hair. Oh, I paid. The hair original was $139, but they had a discount code or whatever, GU17, something like that. So I did that, so it brought it down to 116. Yeah, 116. So I definitely love it. And it is cute with my outfit. Well, okay, hold on. See if y'all see. This is cute. I love it. Like it's cute. It's different. Like, but I'ma definitely dress this. Put on some. Ooh, I got ideas just rolling through my head. Like, but I definitely love this. Take some pictures. Bye, y'all.